Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you an incline push-up. So I'm using here in the table. On the table here, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, pwede mo siyang damihan guys, kung gusto mo. Since ang oras ko ay langanin na, hanggang 30 lang ang gawin ko. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay guys, that is it. I'll see you on my next exercise. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me.